Hello everyone, in this clip let us see how to replace the hard disk. In this series, the hard disk always located towards your left hand side. Right now I'm trying to open the rear cover so that it will have more visibility. So once you open the cover, just pull it gently, and towards your left hand side there's a small area where the hard disk sits. Remove the screw, gently take off the door, and you can easily drag the hard disk out by pulling the lever. So this hard disk comes with a frame, so whenever you order the new hard disk from Canon, you get the hard disk alone. Just remove the existing hard disk and put the new hard disk in this frame and push it gently in order to fix it back. So it's quite easy and straightforward process. Hope you like this clip. Thanks for watching.